What's up, crownies? Yes, to this blonde bob. Stay tuned to see how I achieved this look. So this is a closure unit, not a frontal, and the first thing I'm going to do is twist it because I want a really deep side part, and I also want to give the illusion of actually wearing a frontal. Now I'm going to section my hair into threes, and parting it behind my ear is what's going to help me to give it that angled bob look that I'm going for. Make sure you cut beneath your ponytail holder and use a very sharp pair of scissors. You're also going to cut down at an angle to help give you those layers right from the jump. Be careful not to cut through your ponytail holder the way I did. Nobody told me how hard it would be to cut my hair in the back while using a handheld mirror and only able to see one side of my head at a time because of where I had the camera situated. Let me just tell you, as happy as I am with the outcome, I won't do this on my head ever again. Even though the hair is a bit choppy, you can see what I meant about cutting your ponytail at an angle for that layered look. If you look really closely, you can see the layers. Now, using the same angle technique, I'm going to do the ponytails on each side. This was a little easier because I could see myself front face in the mirror, but it still took me a while to get both sides equal and to make sure that it was even in the back as well. I probably spent about a good 45 minutes alone just cutting and snipping away at my hair. I didn't have one at the time, and I decided I was going to go ahead with it anyway. But if you're going to do this look, I would advise you to get the little razor comb that they sell at the beauty supply stores and use that to raise your end, because the way that I end up having to do this in order to give myself a more of a choppy, layered look, I wouldn't advise you to do that on your own. Here was my attempt at making layers just using the scissors, and I did the best I could with what I was working with. This section was smaller, so I didn't use the hair tie method, I just cut it down at an angle. Now I'm just making sure that both sides look about as even as I would like them to be, starting to get an idea of what this would look like. And yeah, this looks kind of cute as just a little straight bob, right? But I wanted to make it curly, but first, to make sure this whole thing was even. On to my wig head we go, attempting again to get this even all the way around. Oh my god, this took so freaking long. And for this part, I would definitely recommend that little razor because using the scissors, I think was actually making it more uneven. And yeah, I was just having a really hard time with this, guys. Wait for it. What the hell did I just do? Oh my freaking God. Yeah, this is the horrors that can happen when you're trying to move way too fast and getting frustrated. This is me attempting to add more layers to the hair. Did I say I'm not a professional? I know how to make wigs, honey, but when it comes to cutting, I got other people that do that for me. In all actuality, this is one of the techniques to layer your hair. I really do blame it on the scissors because these were definitely not the greatest. They were the ones that's about $1.99 at the hair store. So if you're going to be cutting, I highly advise you to invest in a really good pair of hair scissors. Now, after what seemed like my entire life cutting, we are getting somewhere, and I'm starting to appreciate what I've done thus far, but we still need some layers and some more body. Since I was going for the tousled bald look, I wasn't too concerned with how my ends came out as far as being even, as long as it was even length all the way around. But I wanted to make sure that it would look good if I chose to just wear it straight as is, or if I curled it. So now you're just going to see me playing around with the cuttings and seeing how it falls when I just run my fingers through it and throw it all over the place. Now we're going to fix this lace, honey. Because this is an older wig, of course some of the baby hairs in the front have fallen out, and as you can see, the lace lifts a little bit. So I'm just going to cut a new hairline. Now it's time to curl. Last time I attempted to make wand curls or spiral curls with these flat irons, it didn't work out so well, but it was also on longer hair. With this shorter hair, oh, it slides in just like butter. As you can see, it actually gave me really pretty curls. I'm really quite impressed. Snack break. What's my secret to voluminous curls? Curl in opposite directions. Let the curls bounce off of each other. Effect in the hair. This is my favorite look to date, and I'm still so in love with this color job I did on this hair. I like how full my hair looks in the back, but if it's too much for you, go back in with those razor combs like I told you before and start thinning the hair out a little bit. But me personally, this is exactly what I wanted. And before you hoes try to come for me about my underarms, I have dark underarms, okay? So they always look like this. Like the way my bang looks in this look right here, but I ended up curling it in the next clip that you'll see. But honestly, I like this particular look more than I like the curly bang. Hello, Mr. President. Yes, honey, I felt like I was channeling my inner Marilyn Monroe. This is my favorite look. What do you guys think? Leave your comments below. If you haven't already, make sure you go out, subscribe, thumbs up, and share this video. And stay tuned for the next look. I don't know, should I add color to this one? Let me know what you guys think.